Hello friends! Gaano nga ba katagal bago natin makuha ang ating SSS Calamity Loan? Kung bago ka lang sa ating channel, please like and subscribe. So, papakita ko po sa inyo kung gaano ko katagal nakuha yung aking SSS Calamity Loan. So, login lang po ako and then may mga notification po tayo. Try kong mag-apply ng Calamity Loan, but since meron na akong application, ayan, meron na nakalagay na existing application. Ngayon, check naman natin mga ating notification. Nakalagay dito August 14, approve na daw yung aking SSS Calamity Loan or on processing pa. So dito po, nag-apply ako ng loan ng August 14. So 10:24 AM, submitted na yung loan ko. Tapos within the hour, 10:55 AM, na-certified naman ng aking employer yung loan application ko. Dito naman po, same day, nakatanggap na naman po tayong notification na 11:52 AM na approve na yung calamity loan ko ng aking employer at ng SSS naman. So dito, meron na namang notification around 6 PM nakalagay, "We're pleased to inform you that your calamity loan has been approved by your employer and SSS." Maybe ito na yung confirmation na yung loan application ko is now on process. August 14 nung nag-apply ako, at nung August 16, nakatanggap ako ng notification sa aking bank account na pumasok na yung aking loan proceeds. So, umabot lang ako ng mga 3 araw bago ko matanggap yung aking SSS Calamity Loan.